Legends of Learning presents the Space Cleaning Program game. This is a science game that makes learning about factors influencing motion, Newton's first and second laws, fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, this space cleaning program, you will be commanding the LOL Newton, a spaceship that can transport all garbage to the disposal station. Your spaceship will move following the first two laws of Newton.
Speed is the magnitude of the velocity.
Use the collect button to move to an object in space to collect that item. Then, using Newton's laws of forces, you must click on the spaceship and drag and drop a force on the spaceship to move in a certain direction to get back to the disposal station. Use your knowledge of Newton's laws to carefully collect all the objects and drop them off in the disposal station to complete each level. Read interesting facts to learn more about science. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Or what does it mean to second? The object is